As we already talked, AI is everything, everywhere, all at once, or we are in the age of intelligence. So every day we have an AI, for example, for searching for the information, going to find the location using the Google Map, or even using the ChatGPT to find the right answer. So AI has become in everyday life right now. So if we go back to the similar technology like AI, or right now we call AI is the general purpose technologies. That means the technologies that can serve any simple task or general task called general purpose technology. Similar to the previous technology, for example, like internet or the smartphone. If we go back for the many years, so the rate that we adopt for the new technology, for example, internet, it took 12 years for the half of the American people adopt to these technologies. Since then, we got another general purpose technology we call smartphone. The rate of adoption is less to 6 years, so it half than the internet. And the AI, which recently has almost 3 years now, it said that the rate of adoption going to be faster, and it should took 3 years for half of the American people can be good at the AI. What does it mean from internet adoptions, smartphone adoptions, and AI adoptions? That means we as a people, even in the Americans or even in the world, gonna be adopt to this new technology faster. You also need to adapt to this technology faster as well. And if you take 5 years to good at smartphone, so cut it in half, and this is the time that you need to good at AI. Why the AI is easy to adopt? Because the first AI has abilities to learn and to talk about humans' language. So whatever we talk, they understand. In the past, we need to practice to type the keyboard. We need to practice to use the phone. But right now, we don't need to adapt. We just use our natural language to discuss to the technology or the AI. AI can understand our language, so it's easy to communicate and it's easy to engage to the technologies. The other thing is AI is smarter very fast. So in the past, when we use AI to recognize the license plate, it took many years to recognize a license plate. But right now, with the advance of the technologies, AI can understand the text, AI can understand image very fast. So the rate of improvement for the intelligence is very fast as well. So the combination between the high engagement between the language and also the more intelligence, both of them make the AI is a general purpose technology and the fast adoption since we ever have any technologies. So AI is very engagement and easy to use. AI is very smart. That's why everyone come to use AI to build things. So the ecosystem has been grow exponentially as well. As we can see, many AI tools, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, has been pop up in many places and in the enterprise software as well, such as like Salesforce, SAP. They also have the AI as well. At the end, what we learn from this? So we need to start using AI, but we need to smart with AI. We don't need to use AI just for use it, but we need to use it smart, be ready to use it, and most importantly, you need to use with responsible. So AI can help you to talk to get more intelligence, right? So if we talk to the other dimensions, that means AI can help us to do more productivity as well. That we call the productivity revolutions. What the productivity revolution means? So let's say if we do something in the past, right? If we draw some of the pictures in the past, we do alone. We do not have any computers. It may take months to draw some of the pictures, right? So you pick the color, you draw, you craft the drawing one, right? It takes months. But once we have a PC or we have a computer, it can take weeks to do it. After that, we have internet, right? It takes days to do it. So our productivity keep increasing because of the technologies. We can use it within the internet. We can give okay, this your friend to do this in the morning, the other friend do in the afternoon, and then combine it in the evening. So you get the drawing or the picture within the days. But since the generative AI, the AI that can generate things, you can generate the image or picture within minutes. So if you compare in the past, you use months to draw the picture, but right now you use minutes to do the picture. That means the productivity revolution has been emerged since the ChatGPT. For example, sometimes you need to brainstorm, right? So in the past, you need to brainstorm. You may work by yourself or you may work in the team. But right now, you can chat. You can communicate with the AI and then get the ideas from the AI. So it helps you get more idea faster. Or in the past, right? You write the programs and then you have another programmer to review your code. So we call like pair programming, right? But right now you can use AI to draft the code and you can review the code, or you write the code and AI, or you use AI to draft the code and you review, or you write the code and then AI review the code. Vice versa, you save at least like 50% to improve your productivity. There are a lot of samples about your productivity improvement. For example, when you do the slide, in the past you need to take a picture. You put the picture from the SD card into the PC, put the picture into the slide. But right now in the slide you can prompt, you can write communicate with the Canva or PowerPoint to generate the image for you. So you save a lot of time to do it. Or it's like generative AI. They understand many language. For example, like human language, and also they can understand image, or they can understand the programming code. So for the doctor in a hospital, they can talk to the generative AI or chatbot, and the chatbot can translate the doctor language into the task that they can get the patient information, grab the X-ray, and understand which one is for the patient, and grab all of that information from different sources to the doctor. So the doctor has been more productivity to get to the result faster. So that is a sample that not only that you can get the benefit from the generative AI in terms of the daily work, but also in your work as well. So that means right now, not only for the daily life, but also in the individual productivity at work, it has been improved a lot as well. So to increase your productivity at work or in everyday life, what you need to do? First, you need to learn how to communicate with AI. Second, you need to experiment the tools because we get a new tool every day. Third, you need to make decisions when to use a tool and when to use yourself to solve the problem.